Everyone, a fan of 7 here, and today I'll be ranking my Doctor Who sonic screwdrivers. First we got Mr. Peter Davison sonic screwdriver. Not a really big fan of it. Basically Tom's, but with a bit of white strap. Nothing much, but it did get damaged later on, or destroyed. More in this story. Second is Tom Baker's. Not much design. I find it a bit boring. Unpopular opinion. Nothing much. Next it's Paul McGann's. I think it's a much improvement to Tom because it's a button, not a push down one. And this was my first ever sonic screwdriver. Next is Mr. Jon Pertwee's. I like this better than Tom to the yellow and black swirly thing that you spin it. It can hypnotise you. And I like all the sound, same sound of every single one. Next one is Matt Smith's. I reason it higher because it's modern, a bit more modern. It does that. But the bad bit is it won't work if you do it like that. You have to push at the bottom. Now it works like that. Next is the War Doctors. I love it because it's a mixture of modern Who and classic Who combined. You've got the end of like classic, but the front of modern Who. Next is Mr. Peter Capaldi's screwdriver. I think this is good because if I was young and I had this, I would love it because different colours and different sounds. I love this thing, like the TARDIS. I like the TARDIS. And last but not least, my favourite screwdriver is 9th Doctor's and 10th Doctor's because this is my first sonic screwdriver I ever had. Well, not exactly the first, but the first screwdriver I saw, and I think it's good. I wish they didn't get destroyed, and I hope they bring it back one day. Well, not with Jodie Whittaker, no thank you, she's the worst. I hope they don't get hate comments for that. And thank you for watching, see you next time.